Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. Guys, I'm here today making some Jamaican curry chicken. Guys, it is finger licking, it's so good. Guys, come along and let's make some Jamaican curry chicken. Enjoy. 1.5 pounds of chicken. Here I have 2 tablespoons of curry, 2 tablespoons of Larry seasoned salt. I have 1 teaspoon of black pepper there, and I have some ginger, garlic, and pinmto powder season, pinmto seed. Okay guys, so this is all my spice and my herb. Now here I have 1 medium-sized carrot, half a medium-sized onion. I have some sweet pepper, they call it bell pepper, piece of scotch bonnet pepper. Here I have some Irish garlic and piece of thyme. Okay guys, I'm gonna season up my curry chicken. And I'm not using any salt because the Larry seasoning already have a lot of salt in there already. So I'm not using any salt. Just gonna combine my spice in the chicken, okay? Just gonna rub it up. And it's good to put on your gloves if you want to eat a good rub. And when I do it like this, I just catch a little water in my hand. Like this, to just get it a little moist with the curry and the rest of powder seasoning. Okay? Yeah. Okay? And this is how it looks so far with just the spice. What I'm gonna do now is to put all my herb. I'm gonna put my Irish potato, garlic, and I'm using some basil here. I don't remember if I show you my basil earlier, but I love to use some fresh herb, even though when we're in Jamaica and go curry chicken, we not add this, but me just love to use some fresh herb in my anything when I look about. Brown stewed chicken, all of that. Me love putting some fresh herb in there also, like my parsley. Yes. So what I'm gonna do now is to combine all of this, and while doing this you can actually stop and turn on the stove and go and make the pot hot, because I love make the pot hot before me put in my chicken. Okay, so my good so far, and you're gonna season to your taste. Okay, yeah. You can put it to marinate before you start cook it, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna get it on the stove in the pot now. Okay, I'm gonna give it a taste. Tastes good so far. Yeah. And this is how it looks when I put in all my ingredients in my chicken. Yes guys, what I have here is my pot is on the stove and it's hot. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of oil in there because you know the chicken spring a lot of oil, so I just put like maybe 1 tablespoon of oil, and you can use any oil you prefer. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put in the chicken first before I put in the onion and all of those season I use. Okay, and this is the only water I'm gonna use and do my curry chicken. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it and make it cook by itself with this water alone. Our chicken cook for half an hour, only half an hour. When it reach like 10 minutes in the cooking, I'm gonna put in all of my seasoning and just leave it for it just finish cook 20 minutes, and it's gonna be well cooked. Okay guys, so guys, I just put some water in there just to get everything out of this container here to go in my chicken. So what I'm gonna do now, this is my pot. Just gonna put all of this, and this is 10 minutes after. I'm gonna let this cook just for 20 more minutes, okay? And I'm not gonna add no more water in my curry chicken. This water is gonna cook all the way, okay? I'm gonna show you in 20 minutes, okay? All right. Yes guys, this is my curry chicken. It's done. Just gonna turn off my stove. I'm gonna show you the gravy. I did not put any more water in there. Just cook with this water. Half an hour later. Yes, I just let my curry chicken steam for half an hour. Okay guys, see there? And look at the gravy. This is the gravy. I did not put no ketchup in there, no sugar, just the season. That is me put in my herb and my spice. That's the only thing I put in my chicken. That's what I say. So let me show you guys. So this is the look of my Jamaican curry chicken. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna have this curry chicken with. Okay guys, subscribe and share and comment and tell me all about this Jamaican curry chicken. It is super good. It is so good. It tastes so good. And guys, you can definitely have this with some white rice. You can have it with some two dumpling, banana, yellow yam, piece of dasheen or sweet potato, and you know, like a vegetable, and your avocado. Big up on yourself guys, and thank you for watching, and thank you for coming back. And you can just share this video. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in the description box. Big up on yourself guys, and thank you for watching. Seas the greetings, bless you all. Bye. Just gonna take it from off the fire. You would lock off the stove. I'm just gonna take it off because I don't want my gravy to dry out. Okay guys, my Jamaican curry chicken. This is what I'm having with my Jamaican curry chicken. I'm having a little bit of rice here, some red peas and salad, and my chicken there, and some avocado. And this is my dinner for today, my Jamaican curry chicken with some white rice. Bye guys, thank you, bye.